Please don't forget to like this video, and if you haven't done so already, click the subscribe button, then click the bell and then click all. Every like and subscribe helps us make more great videos for you. This video shows you how to get Deaf Squid without sideloading on your Fire TV stick. Now, Deaf Squid is the Swiss Army knife of tools for your Fire TV stick, a tool that really every Fire TV stick owner should have. So how do you get it? So all you do is grab your remote control, press the picture of the house on the remote control, so you're back to this screen, go across to Find just there, go down to Search, middle button on the remote control, and just type in here, Deaf Squid. All one word. That's DEFSQUID, and after a while you'll see it appear. So once you see it appear, just highlight that in white down there, middle button on the remote, and that's the app you're looking for just there. Highlight that, middle button, and then you'll get this screen appear. All you do is press the middle button again to get it. Just let it load. This bit might take a bit of time. It really depends on the speed of your internet connection and also the speed of your Fire TV stick, but hopefully shouldn't take too long. Mine is now downloaded. It's now installing, and once it's installed, installing will change to open, just like it shows there. So once you see open, middle button on the remote control, and there we go. First of all, it does a privacy test. So it gives us our IP address and it gives us the location of our server. So this is the node or the connection point that your VPN or internet service provider connects to. It's not your exact location. So the next thing we do is we go across to speed test. So just press the right part of the remote control, middle button to go across to speed test, and there we go. It's now running a speed test for us. As you can see, my speed test with OpenReach and PlusNet isn't fantastic. So the next thing along there is the cleaner. So we just go across to the right and then press the middle button, and here it says allow Deaf Squid to access photos, media and files on your device. This is very important if you want it to clean up your device, so you do need to make sure that says allow. If that says deny and you've highlighted deny, then this won't work. So make sure you've highlighted allow, middle button, okay, and then we just press the down button there and it highlights start cleaning device, middle button, and it says do you want to delete old APK files that are no longer needed. So these are basically installation files that you can download again. So yes, we can get rid of these because they're no longer needed. They're just taking up space on the Fire TV stick. So make sure that yes is highlighted, middle button, and there we go. It's just looking for junk on the Fire TV stick. It gives us a nice little percentage there and a little clock to tell us when it's done. So there you go, it's made 41 optimizations there. Unfortunately, it doesn't tell us what it's done. Now the next thing in the list here is virus scan. So go across to the right, middle button on the remote control, and it gives us a list here of all of the apps that are installed on the Fire TV stick. What we can do is we can go across and we can just check out each individual app by highlighting it, and there you go, it's just checking the file synced app there for viruses. This bit might take a bit of time, just be patient with it. You've also got an option here to start deep scan and scan all of the apps that are on there if you want, and now like I say, that will take some time depending on how many apps you've got on there. Now if we go across to my device, middle button, so we've got other selections just here. So we've got applications there. If we go into applications, there you go, that takes us into the applications menu. We've got device, and that just takes us straight into the device menu on the Fire TV stick. We've got network, again gives us all the network connections that we've got available to us. Stub information, so it says the app is currently unavailable, please update your device to use the app. So just select update device, check for updates, there's no updates, so we can't actually use that. Controllers and Bluetooth there, so let's just go into that. There you go, that's the controllers and Bluetooth menu, and we've got the home theatre menu just there, which is in display and audio. So that's all stuff that's really is already on your device, but at the bottom of the screen there it gives us a few more details about the actual device itself. Finally, we've got manage apps there, which this gives us a list of apps that are on our Fire TV stick and gives us a choice of whether we want to full stop the apps or uninstall them. And finally, if you want to go up to the hamburger menu in the top right hand corner there you go. That just shows you the version number there. So there you go, that's Deaf Squid, which gives you sort of loads of little utilities all in one for your Fire TV stick. Hope you liked this video. If you did, hit that like button. If you think your friends, your family or your work colleagues might benefit from seeing this video, then please share it on your social media timelines. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Find out about all my latest videos the second they're released. Thanks for watching and speak to you again soon.
You can follow me on Twitter at CWTech. That's at CWTech. On Twitter. And don't forget to check out my other videos in my YouTube channel. Just Google Chris Waite YouTube. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your support.